The India Young Professional Scheme Visa is a new immigration route which allows Indian nationals to work in the UK on a short-term basis. The next ballot will open at 2:30 p.m. Indian Standard Time on 20th February 2024. So stay tuned till the end of this video to know all about the India Young Professional Scheme Visa with me. Before we dwell into today's topic, a quick intro. I am Yash Dubal, Managing Director at AY&J Solicitors. We are an SRA regulated legal 500 firm with over a decade in UK immigration, winning multiple awards, serving 4,000 plus clients and having 1,200 positive reviews. We are here to help you. So let's talk about the background of the UK India Young Professional Scheme. Was announced as part of the UK India Mobility and Migrations Partnership signed in May 2021. So this scheme offers a unique opportunity for young Indian professionals to work in the UK, providing them with global exposure, diverse work environment, skill enhancement, and an appreciation of the different work cultures. Now, what's the eligibility criteria for this application? The visa scheme is open to citizens and nationals of India who are aged between 18 and 30 years. The applicants must be at least 18 years old on the date they plan to travel to the UK. The applicants must have qualification at a bachelor's degree level or above. And the next one is the applicant must prove that they have sufficient funds to support themselves during their stay in the UK. And for this, they need to have around £2,530 in savings. The applicants cannot bring any children under the age of 18 or any children for whom the applicant is financially responsible. Now, the next point is, what's the process of applying for this visa? The only way to apply for the India Young Professional Scheme Visa is through a ballot system. The applicant must enter a ballot when it's open. The process is designed to be fair and give all applicants an equal chance. To enter the ballot, the applicants need to provide their identity details, including their passport, phone number, and email address. The successful entries are picked at random. The outcome of the ballot system shall be made known to the applicants within 2 weeks of the ballot closing. Now, if an applicant's entry is successful, he or she shall be invited to apply for the India Young Professional Scheme Visa. So that's the kind of process. Now, the applicant shall have 90 days from the date of the invitation to apply online for the visa. Now, it's important to note the results of the ballots are final, and the applicant will not be able to appeal if he or she is unsuccessful. However, there is no restriction to enter in any future ballot. Hope that makes sense. The next point is, what's the cost and validity of this visa? So the entry to the ballot is free. It's important to note that all entries must be submitted online via the UKVI website, and the applicants need to pay £298 for the application fee and an immigration health surcharge of £1,552. If the visa application is successful, the applicant can live and work in the UK for up to 24 months. The applicants can enter the UK at any time during the validity of their visa and leave and come back anytime during the validity of this visa. If an applicant turns 31 after the visa is issued, he or she can continue to stay in the UK as long as the visa is valid. The next point is what a successful applicant can and cannot do. If an applicant is successful, he or she can study and work. Additionally, he or she can also set up a company and be self-employed subject to certain conditions. A successful applicant cannot extend their stay or cannot apply for public funds. As previously mentioned, an applicant cannot bring their family members in application. Additionally, they cannot work as a professional sports person. So let's talk about when does the ballot open? The big question. The next ballot will open at 2:30 p.m. Indian Standard Time on 20th February 2024. It will close at 2:30 p.m. Indian Standard Time on 22nd February 2024. There are 3,000 places available for the Indian Young Professional Scheme Visa in 2024. Most places will be made available in the February ballot. The remaining places will be made available in the July ballot. So here you go. Today's video, we have covered everything about the Indian Young Professional Scheme Visa. I hope this helps, and thank you so much for watching this video.